Okay, I've mounted the two together, and as you can see, creates a nice little stackable unit. OLED module on top and the basic board underneath. Now, when I first put these 8266 boards together, I messed up, to be honest. I forgot to get the orientation correct for future boards to plug on. So in reality, I had these sockets on this side, and it was a bugger to remove them. I had to chop them off, clean out all the old solder with a solder sucker, because I'd run out of solder wick, and without damaging the pads, and then put in new sockets, but I didn't have any through hole ones, so I can't plug that into something like a power supply board. But I've got a couple more on order, so I'll not make that mistake again. I'm sure many have. I probably won't be the last. So anyhow, here's the little OLED module on top. They are tiny. I mean, look how thin that glass is. I don't even know if you can see that. Let me put it into the light a bit more. Very, very small anyhow. So now, trying to be clever using a camera in one hand and a USB port in the other, which I must point out is not connected to the computer. It's purely connected to this battery pack. Okay? No secret stuff going on. Now let me see if I can plug this in. I've got to I don't know how I can do this. I'd like to get the camera on it while I don't think this is going to work. Maybe if I stand on its end, then plug it in. Okay, let's try that. Okay, plugged it in. Now it's going to take a while to connect to the local network, and it'll take even longer if I don't switch the battery bank on, and connect to my local area network, and then connect to the server in America to get the current time. And there it is. It's apparently just gone 11 o'clock. Damn, that's late. That says, oh, I see, it's just it's nearly 11 o'clock, whereas my clock in here says it's actually just gone 11 o'clock. So, discrepancy with my PC versus the server in America. I could always reset it and see if it corrects it at all. Let me just hit the reset button. And you see the clock stopped. Now it's connecting. And now it says it's... Ooh, what does that say? Five to 11? Or 11 o'clock? I'm not quite sure. But at least now it's not taking the time from some hard-coded hours, minutes, seconds within the actual firmware, or the sketch as they call it. And I'm quite impressed with that little thing. Anyhow, that's it. I'll put some more stuff on the blog later, including the code. Alright, bye.